I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mazda CX-30 key fob. First, you'll want to find the small release button, usually located on the side of the fob. Give that button a firm press, and then you can easily slide out the emergency key blade. This key is important for manual entry, but for now, we're just using it to access the fob's interior. It's a simple first step to getting inside your key fob. Now that the emergency key is out, look closely at the opening where it was. You should see a small slot or indentation. Take a small, flathead screwdriver or even a coin and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight, careful twist, you'll feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be gentle here. We don't want to damage any of the internal components or the casing itself. With the key fob open, you'll see the small round battery inside. Most Mazda CX-30 key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Gently use a small non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool or even your fingernail, to lift out the old battery. Make sure to note its orientation. Then, simply place the new CR2032 battery into its slot, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure all the edges match up perfectly. Then, gently but firmly press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into position. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.